Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Yeah, so guys, today is weekend. I really know how you spent your weekend in the comment section. Yes, today has been so, will I say hectic somehow, doing a lot of washing, cooking and all that, but in all give God the glory. Yes guys, I can't forget to serve you guys because without you I won't be here. Yes guys, today guys we're going to talk about how you can use how you can blind your enemies with this little thing called alligator pepper. I know we all know what alligator pepper is. In case you don't know, this is how it look like. Can you say it? Can you say it? And this is the local alligator pepper. It has a pointed mouth or something, as you can see. We use the local one, not the other one. This one that has pointed mouth. Yes. So now, guys, how we do it is, it is said that and believe that alligator pepper, spiritually, you don't open it from the front. When you want to open it, you open from the back, which I'm still going to tell you now how to use it to blind your enemies. Now let's get started. This is the alligator pepper. You put it at the back this way. Try to open it because alligator pepper is a spirit, you know. So now you open it from the front. You don't see how to open it. Now it's actually open because it's a spirit, so you don't open it anyhow. So now it's open. All we need is 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Guys, watch me. 7 pieces. So this one has tiny ones. There's some that you get that is bigger. So we need just 7, no more than 7 pieces. This is 2, 4, 6, 7. This is 7 alligator pepper. 7 pieces of it. You can say it if you can count through. You say it. If you can count through, you see it. It's 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Now, how to use it, guys? Let's say you have maybe someone that has been bothering you. Whether you know the person's name or you don't know the person's name. First and foremost, guys, make sure your hands is clean. That you didn't do anything to hurt the person. I mean, the person is really hurting you or disturbing you or making you uncomfortable or doing anything or the other against you. Guys, yes, here is the secret. What you can do is this with this 7 alligator pepper that I've just counted out. You wake up in the morning. Around this one is exactly 5 a.m. when the sun, you face the sun exactly where the sun is coming from that morning. You face it. Even if you're in your room, anywhere you are, you can face, you know where the sun is coming from. You face it. And then you fix the alligator, you pour the 7 pieces of, firstly, you call the name of the person if you know the name of the person. Let's say the person's name is Amaka. You call the person's name 7 times because you're having 7 alligator pepper in your hand. You call the person's name 7 times. If you call the person's name, you tell the person, you refuse to make me rest. You say, I will not rest. You are disturbing me. You know what the person is doing to you. When you call the person's name, you actually call the person's name. Then you tell the person, you know what the person is doing. You know what to talk. You command it into the alligator pepper and say, since you refuse to let me rest, since you have decided to do this to me this time, with this alligator pepper I'm holding, that this alligator, as it's pepperish, so will the person's life be pepperish. So will the person's life catch fire. So with whatever the person is fighting against you, it will go back to the person. And you tell the person that as you're going to chew this alligator pepper, you're going to pour it out. If you pour it out, it will blind the person's eyes. Spiritually, it will blind the person. The person will no more monitor, no longer monitor you. The person will no longer do evil. Whatever evil the person wants to do against you or your family will go back to the person. Then you pour it in your mouth this way. And you chew it. Guys, you don't swallow. Make sure you don't swallow it. You just chew it like this. Chew. Like what I'm doing. Make sure you chew, you don't swallow. Then you call the person's name 7 times again. Even if you don't know the person's name, say whoever person it is, you call the person 7 times again. And you do like this. After calling the person's name and saying whatever thing you want to say that will happen to the person, you spit it out like this. You call the person's name the 2nd time, you spit it out again. You call the person's name the 3rd time, you spit it out again. that is final, and you make sure you don't swallow any. That is how you do it, guys. After doing it, watch and see what God will do for you. Watch and see what God will do for you. You will see how your enemies will scatter. You see how they will be confused. You see what will happen to them. You see what will happen to them, guys. It works. Just do it with your faith. Just do it with your faith and see God in action. Do it with your faith, and see God. Don't come and start thinking, will it work? Yeah, will it do this one? Will it do that one? No. Just do it with your faith and see what will happen. It is tested and trusted. If not, I won't come out here and start saying it. Guys, that's just it. That's just it. Just do it like that, and then you will testify. Thank you, guys. That's just the end of our study today. Thank you very much for staying with me. I love you guys. Please, guys, don't forget to thumbs up, to subscribe. Subscription is free, and please press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye.
See you later.